Hi traders, Anthony here. This is a follow-up to the last video I uploaded on this strategy. I'm on a 5-minute chart. We're trading SHIB and we're going for these breakout alerts. This fired in my alerts log. 5-minute chart, there it is down here. This is it here, 5-minute. I set these up earlier on today because I'd gone through and had a look at all of these altcoins. A handful of these were giving me a 19 or a 20 out of 20 win rate, and what I've done is I've highlighted these in green, so color coded them. I set a 5-minute time frame alert on these altcoins. I mean, some charts are better than others, and these are the best. Ripple wasn't so crash hot, and the difference is you're going to get a lot of whippy price action, and that will trigger the breakout alert. The less volatility, the better. But yeah, I mean, you want the trends, but you don't want big moves, sudden big moves that trigger these breakouts. We were getting too many of them on the 1-minute time frame, especially after the Russian-Ukraine thing that's going on. The market has been really volatile. Okay, so what we do is we just step back. We go to the 3-minute or the 5-minute. Now I had to look back on this particular altcoin. The 5-minute chart gave me a 20 out of 20. One of them was a little bit questionable, whereas the 3-minute chart gave me 18 out of 20. I mean, I like the 20 out of 20 result. 20 out of 20 win rate is exceptional, absolutely brilliant. And here's the strategy. It's really, really simple. Pick your time frame, go through and find where these are a high win rate, which I've done. We look back 20 trades or 20 alerts, the breakout, that's the alert we want, and then we look for the entry on the pullback into the mean, this center line here. Once we get a touch on that, we go in, and then we look to take 80% of our position, around about 1 times the ATR, close 80%, and then we pull our stop loss up to reduce the risk. And I like to bring it into, you know, at least break even or better. And then we've got a risk-free trade sitting there, and if it takes the stop loss out, it doesn't matter. And if it moves on, I mean, seriously, guys, I'm talking a 20 out of 20 win rate with this coin on this time frame, and that's the strategy. That's it. You just wait for the pullback, you trade it, close 80%, and trail the stop loss. Done. Now this is taking every breakout alert. No technical analysis, no reference to the higher time frames. This is just trading a 5-minute chart and taking every alert that fires, and it's ridiculous. Look at this one. Okay, there's the alert. We wait for the pullback. You've got plenty of time. It's a 5-minute chart, so every candle, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes or whatever. But as soon as we get the pullback into the mean here, there's our entry. We take it. Just look at the outcome. This is going to get you in on trend reversals early. Some cases you're going to get a breakout if it's a volatile market, and they're going to be not as profitable, but most of them are going to be pretty good. And there'll be 1 or 2 out of the 20 that were pretty much break even. I mean, the rest were profitable. This one here was a break even, more or less. This one here, there's the pullback into the mean, take it. This one here, okay, this is what I mean by taking your 80% at 1 times the ATR, the pullback down into the mean. We enter here, and there's your 1 times the ATR. This is the only, I think, one out of all of these signals that you may or may not have closed your 80%, depending. But you know, if you were on the ball, that would have been a profitable trade. And the rest of them are just, I mean, I trade for a living, you know, and I can't afford to lose money. If I lose money, I don't eat. So there's just no option. I spend my entire waking life, well, I have done for years. I mean, had these indicators develop. Look at this trade. There you go. Okay, this is the kind of thing I'm talking about. And there's your trend reversal here on the lower time frame. I spend my entire waking life basically streamlining my trade process. Breakout, you know, another nice outcome. Another one here. So, I mean, I won't go back. You can have a look for yourself if you've got access to the indicators. Check it out. I'll just close all of that. We've taken our 80% here. We've pulled our stop loss up to break even or better. and this is a now risk-free. Okay, so if we gain a little bit of ground with this, that's just going to be profitable from here on. We've got the 80% tucked away, and we just close up this stop loss. This trades up here, and of course the stop loss is going to follow the price pretty much. What else can I say, guys? The link is below the video in the description, or the signature. Check it out. It's there's a free trial for 7 days. You've got nothing to lose. Check it out. Gain full access to the indicators, my Telegram group, and if you decide to stay on, which I'm pretty sure you will, it's $19.95 a month. Ridiculous. Do it. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.